Okay, today's lesson we're looking to practice written addition and subtraction. So here's our addition sum. We've got 4,936 add 2,189. So it's really important to look at what it is we're doing. So we're adding, and we always want to start in the ones column here. So here we have 6 add 9, which is 15. So we've got the 5, carry the 1, 10. We've got 8, add on 1, add on 3, which is 12. So 2, carry the 100. Add 1, 9 and 1, 11, 1, carry over here. Now we've got 1, add 4, add 2, which is 7. So here's our answer, 7,125. So now we're going to look at some subtraction. So here we've got 6,274, take away 1,677. So again, we've got to look at what kind of sum it is. It's subtraction. And we're obviously going to start with the ones again like we did in the previous sum. So here we have 4 take away 7, which we need to borrow. So we need to go to the tens, score through the 7, write a 6, carry the 1 over. So we've now got 14 take away 7. So we can do that. So that gives us 7. This time we've got 6 take away 7, which again we can't do. So we're going to have to borrow again. So borrow from this 2, leave 1 here. Now we've got 16, so 16 take away 7 gives us 9. And we've got 1 take away 6. Again, we can't do it, so borrow again. So we're going to write 5. 1 over here, so now we've got 11 take away 6, which is 5. 5 take away 1, which is 4. So we now have our answer of 4,597. Here is your task for today. Remember, you've got option A, B, and C. And we're only doing the odd numbered questions, 1, 3, 5, etc. Remember to look at what kind of sum is it. Are we looking for addition? Are we looking for subtraction? And in the word problems, look out for words that mean addition or subtraction. Good luck, look forward to seeing all your work.